Renault Sandero is positioned as a quiet family car, and the line of engines is proof of this. 1.4, 75 horsepower, 8-valve, 1.6, 89 horsepower, and 16-valve 1.6 engine, 105 horsepower. There are also diesel engines with a volume of 1.5, 68-90 horsepower. These engines are reliable and economical, but unfortunately, they are practically not found on our market. As operating experience has shown, power units do not cause any problems. The only thing the owners need to do is change the oil every 10–12,000 kilometers and the timing belt with a pump every 60,000 kilometers. Drivers do not always have enough 75 horsepower motor, and often to improve dynamics they begin to twist it. As a result, the motor wears out faster. Of course, not all owners do this, but it's impossible to find out how the car was used. Therefore, in order not to take risks, it's better to take a car with a 1.6-liter engine second-hand. A more powerful 1.6 engine is unlikely to make a sport car out of a car. However, for driving around the city it is enough. The 16-valve engine gives out maximum dynamics. In terms of reliability, such an engine is no worse than its counterparts. Among the shortcomings, compared with 8-valve power units, one can note more expensive maintenance and increased fuel consumption. In the city, the consumption of 8-valve engines 1.4 and 1.6 is up to 8 liters per 100, 16-valve engine up to 10 liters, along the highway 6–7 liters. Some owners blame the fact that the cooling system, thermostat, candles and high-voltage wires quickly fail. Renault Sandero is equipped with 5-speed manual, automatic transmission, pre-styling, and a single-clutch robotic transmission. The installed manual transmission had the same problem as many other Renault cars, fuzzy gear shifting. During operation, the mechanic may make extraneous sounds. According to the official dealer, this feature is considered the norm and does not affect the reliability of the unit. Also, at high speeds, more than 3000, a vibration can be transmitted from the box to the body. According to the manufacturer, the oil in the box is designed for the entire service life of the unit. However, many servicemen recommend changing it at least once every 100,000 km. Clutch parts, even in a hard operation mode, live 50–60,000 km, and if the car is treated with care, the clutch will last 100,000 km or more. If we talk about automatic transmission, then cars with this type of transmission are not common, perhaps because many already heard about the possible problems of this unit. This automatic transmission is well known for many models of not only Renault but also Nissan. The main problem with automatic transmission is that it is prone to overheating, followed by expensive repair. On average, such a transmission lasts 100,000 km. After restyling, the automatic transmission was replaced by a single-clutch robot. And if you do not want to invest in the repair of the box, then you should not consider the option with a robotic transmission. Main problems: fuzzy operation, jerks when starting off, especially in reverse gear and downhill, quickly failure of the clutch, and this is an expensive repair every 50–70,000 km. An independent McPherson-type suspension is installed in front, a semi-independent beam is installed in the rear. It cannot be said that the main suspension elements have a long service life, but due to the simplicity of the design and inexpensive spare parts, you can count on very acceptable sums for the maintenance of the chassis. The steering rack can start knocking after 70,000 km. Fortunately, the rack is repairable and you can change the failed bushings in it. Repair will cost $100–150 USD. It is worth noting that it is not worth going to the official dealer to repair the rail. They will not repair it there and simply replace it with a new one, and this costs a lot of money. Another problem, the elimination of which will not be cheap, is the corrosion of the exhaust system. A repair will cost about $200 USD. If you are the owner of this car model, please describe the problems that you had to face during the operation of the car. Perhaps it is your review that will help readers of our site when choosing a car.